thought it worked out pretty good. The main thing is buying these hose clamps and add them together. Looks like I have to add 3, just a little shy. Right at a curve this around. Once I curve this around, then it becomes one big hose clamp. This leak here is this airbag that is part of the suspension. There's 2 of them in the shocks, and it used to be bolted to the frame, these calves. We used to have to hang on and fly in the air when we hit bumps, especially over the bridges. But let me see if I can get one. See, I did the other one. It worked out pretty good. But you can see the leak right here. I had that covered pretty good, but I want to make sure it's covered all the way. It's got a little leak. And I want to make sure I screw all this in. Back. This part here, I want to make sure this is bent in pretty good. And that way it's flat so it doesn't poke or wear another hole in it. And this kind of bungee cord is really neat. I bought this at the Iowa 80. But having that flat part, I just put it right over the hole. But 120 pounds. You can really hear it leak. The other one's actually worse. Part where I need to make sure the flaps part is on it. Something like that. Seals up pretty good. That's the trick. And when this airbag is used, this actually rolls on the inside underneath, and it rolls in back and forth. So it should be pretty good. doesn't have any noise. That should match that. Looks like it's pretty wore down. Once I get back to the yard, I'd replace this. It's all about prevention. And when DOT comes, they actually look for leaks. And that would work out pretty good. That's pretty well rigging this. And this flat part here just covers that hole. That should get me home. I can see a lot of cuts here. It looks like it's been beaten up a little bit. I'm in Utah right now. This here is Brigham City, and by the temple over here I saw orbs, and they were floating all around in clusters and moved over. I'll make a movie of that and put it in my anomaly playlist for you all. But as you can see right through the field islands there where the B is on the mountain there, that's where Brigham City is right there, and that's where I saw those orbs. It's really impressive.